kapwa akong Pilipino, nagmamahal ng bayan. Kagaya ko, in my own little way, I really love my country. Ang PDP may meeting bukas. I don't, it will be announced over the radio, but anyone interested to just listen, makinig lang kayo. Kung gusto lang ninyo, may alam ako kundi about life, about ating bayan, ang ating politika. Pag-usapan natin. At kung may contribute ako na padagdag sa pagkatao, okay. Pag wala, well, sorry. Anyway, the invitation is for you to decide. Kilala ninyo. And for what I stand for.